And then we're going. Alright.
I'll make do. What I got.
Why is Utopia and Pole up in the Rust channel?
User left your channel.
Ah, damn it, I don't know where to go. Should I go Echo and Charlie? Not the best deck for it. I knew that would be pretty good.
Somebody's got a you're on the right, sir.
Yeah, I'll send it. I'll go right since I have a Marine deck. Yeah, Double O was messing with me a bit ago because he's like, I'm going to put him in the island. I'm like, wait, there's an island in this map? What the hell is it?
I was just talking about other places.
Yeah, so I was like laughing. I'm like, there's an island here? Where the fuck is it? I must be blind.
No, that was just like, you know.
Talking about like...
that's the optimum use of that aspect of the deck.
Yeah, like pretty much using on D-Day.
Yeah.
D-Day in Paradise.
D-Day or
Straight
to the point, or any of them really.
You could get
Any of
on
them
the
except for
island.
this one.
Well, that's actually... The island's not that hard. Like, if you just pretty much sneak up with the back of it, that's the easy part. Getting it into firing position's the sucky part.
You have armor moving down the middle. It's interesting. Remember that Smirch barrage that was absolutely wasted under his shit? Yesterday?
Speaking of Smirch... Oh, there goes a chaparral.
What the hell happened?
We got smirched. Boy, unload.
Yeah, make 21.
That was a MiG-21. Now it's a dead motherfucker. Wow, that's nearly a dick move. It nearly crashed on Pole's Hawks. That would have been like a dick move right there. Alright, we got boats and we have an MIT that thinks it's sneaky. A couple MITs that think they're sneaky.
So what I hate about the middleman, like, everyone's always getting my way, right? They can't blow my
Got a Jiangsu 3 and Hujians heading on my way.
Heading to getting grid reference. Someone need a guardian angel?
Oh shit.
That's what I was kind of waiting for. Humvee was distraction for this.
Let's fly.
Any other ASM would be great right about now.
Checklist completed. Ready to go.
Landing boats.
Brace yourself. Flying in.
Yeah, that's not good at all.
What the fuck? No,
Either that or we need to push right through. Like, we need to push right through big time.
Who the fuck is arting our own fucking troops, man? You're killing my guys, whoever's an arty.
I was arguing.
You reduce my fucking dirty Fallschmaker. I'm falling back.
Someone need a guardian angel?
Got 170 points before you bum rushed into the arty, so I don't know what the hell was up there.
Target in sight. Adjust the game.
Watch that Abrams, Keith.
He's not in the room.
Let's hope the enemy don't have any air defense. It's gonna rain down on that cross. Flying in, under top. Let's hope the enemy don't have any air defense. Let's hope the enemy don't have any air defense. Missile is fired. Heading to James Red Reference. On my way to coordinates. Out. Flying in, under top. Brace yourself, we're flying in.
Some more arty.
Let's fly. Ready to go. I need that tail rotor check.
Rat, may I use your FOB to refill my Super Cobra?
Sure. I don't need them.
Both of you aboard. Brace yourself, we're flying in. Heading to James Red Reference. Let's fly.
Got flankers on the left. It's like Rat Mania, you got that under control.
Apparently not. Somehow I missed.
Let's fly.
Or he ran.
Psych. Cancel those. Cancel the hell. Oh, damn.
Fuck what?
I was going to tell you to cancel those SH-60s. I still have 2 F-18 Super Hornets.
Oh.
I didn't see you in time, and I was like, wait, no. Oh, damn, oh well. That doesn't hurt. Well, if shit goes down, at least we have them. Just keep them on standby over in the woods.
Roger.
The guy, whiskey, whatever, is completely not paying attention.
Whiskey Reckless?
Yes.
What happened?
He has no infantry.
Oh,
anyway.
Delta's being overrun. Like right now.
Where?
Pretty much they're on the road right here. Damn it. Oh, that's not how they call Morans. I don't like losing it like that.
Why are we separated on TeamSpeak? What the hell's going on?
I don't know. They're... Keith, Pole, and Utopia went up there at first, and then then when I asked what are they doing up there, we can't talk to them, Keith left and then come back.
Someone need a guardian angel?
Yeah. Your ASM should be fine enough to sneak up on them. If you want to put them at
I don't know
risk.
if it's accurate or not.
It's not really the accuracy that's going to get them, it's their... Oh, wait, the Penguins have decent range, I forgot about that. Oh, look, plane.
Oh, shit. Can you get your Super Hornet? Shoot that thing down?
My Super Hornets are down. They got sniped when they were going after the Hoosians at range. They were apparently they got hit from the side when they were going up.
Okay. They took out my shit. What happened to the... Did it get shot down too?
Which one?
The helicopter in Delta.
Yes, I think so.
Brace yourself, we're flying in.
Well, that's why Whiskey hasn't been paying attention to Delta. Look where he has QT in. Or had. He left Delta to die so he could micro the units up to Bravo.